Hi, I'm Alexis Scott, and on Thursday, the Texas Supreme Court upheld a new law that bans all gender-affirming care for trans youth. This means that doctors can no longer provide puberty blockers, hormone treatments, or surgeries.
Texas just doesn't feel like a safe place for trans people right now. It's scary.
The roller coaster for transgender laws continue as Texas becomes the largest state to ban gender-affirming care for children. The ruling came down after a district judge issued an injunction against the law following several lawsuits filed by families.
These laws are discriminating against youth that just need a certain kind of health care. It's the government intruding into the lives of families who are just trying to do what is best for their children.
Adair Apple has a 19-year-old son named Charlie who began his transition when he was 12 years old. However, the journey wasn't always easy. Luckily, he was able to become himself without the barricade of state laws, but not everyone is lucky.
It's hard, and it really does provide a lot of hoops to jump through for a lot of families, not even getting into the legislation now. I had to drive 8 hours to get my care every 6 months. It was a lot.
After months of protests against the law, it will also put a stop to children who are already receiving treatment. They will completely be taken off any drugs as part of their care plan.
When you take away life-saving medical care, like with any life-saving medical care, people die. Many of these kids are kids who have had the opportunity to be on puberty blockers, be on hormones for their whole lives, and they have not known anything different.
As many families continue to speak out in what they're calling an attack on the nation's youth, those within the trans community are hoping lawmakers hear one of their requests loud and clear.
We just ask for respect, and we ask to be left alone.
Texas joins more than 24 other states that have restricted gender-affirming care. Canada has also stepped in by warning its LGBTQ citizens from traveling to the U.S. following the restrictive laws of the community. In Corpus Christi, Alexis Scott, KRIS 6 News.